Welcome back, everyone. In today's session, we are going to see the introduction to a new chapter, that is triangles, and we are going to discuss about the concept of congruency in today's session. So let's begin our class with a simple example, a simple activity for you. Now I want you all to stretch your palms, both the palms. Stretched, yes. So now join them, place one above the other in this manner. So how are they now? They are meeting each other. Exactly, they are meeting each other, isn't it? So your palms are coinciding, I can say they coincide, or I can say they are congruent. So your palms are congruent because they are of same size and same shape. Okay, so this is the best example to understand the concept of congruency. Okay, two objects of the same size and same shape are said to be congruent. Okay, let's see some more examples. You can see the tiles on the floor. All the tiles are of square shape, and see the beautiful design formed, okay, by using congruent tiles. So all the tiles are of same size and same shape, so I can say they all are congruent. Let's take a look at another picture which gives you the real life use of congruency. Butterfly. So you all might have seen a butterfly and even caught it and played with it. So did you ever observe a butterfly? The wings of the butterfly are always congruent. So when the butterfly folds its wings, the wings will overlap each other. They overlap each other, so they are also congruent. So the wings of the butterfly, they coincide each other, so they are also congruent. All the tiles on the floor are congruent. The black colored tiles are congruent and the brown colored tiles are congruent, so that gives you a beautiful design. Imagine if you are taking one hand of your younger sibling, brother or sister, and another is your hand. So will it be congruent? No. So congruency is very important part of our life. Okay, most of our real life situations we use congruency, like the wings of a butterfly, the tiles. There are many examples, the coins, 1 rupee coins, or you can give different examples for congruencies. I want one example from each one of you in the group. Let's take a look at another figure. In this figure there are two mirrors. So what do you say, are they congruent or not? Yes, they are congruent. So if you turn the figure and place it one above the other, you'll observe that they both coincide. So it can be in any direction doesn't matter. Okay, so one, if you keep this mirror above the another one, so they both coincide and they are also congruent. So finally we come to a conclusion that two or more figures are said to be congruent if they have same size and same shape. So two figures are said to be congruent if they have same size they should have same size as well as shape. Okay, now let's see some more examples from our day-to-day life which are congruent. You can see the example of earrings, they are congruent. Okay, nobody wears uh, the earrings which is one smaller, another larger one. Okay, pages of same book, you can see all the pages of same book are also congruent. All A4 size pages are congruent. So there are innumerable examples which you can see around you. So watch around you at your home and give me some examples of congruent figures at your home or out of your home. So we are going to learn a chapter, triangles, in which we are going to learn congruency of triangles, which you have already learned in your previous classes, but this time you are going to go deep in those concepts. So you have learned different rules of congruency of triangles, namely SSS, SAS, ASA, AAS, RHS. Okay, so these rules you have learned in the previous classes, but again I'm going to explain you all these rules of congruency of triangles. But before that, let us do this activity. In this you have to tick mark the figures which are congruent. Okay, tick mark the figures which are congruent.